Is it possible to program a universal remote without a code?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the world of universal remotes. We'll specifically be discussing whether or not it's possible to program a universal remote without a code. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to do this, making your tech life just that much easier.
What is a universal remote?
A universal remote is a remote control that can be programmed to operate various brands of one or more types of consumer electronics devices. These remotes are particularly handy when you have multiple devices from different manufacturers and you want to avoid the clutter and confusion of multiple remotes.
Can you program a universal remote without a code?
Yes, you can. While many universal remotes require a code that corresponds with your device, there is also an option known as the code search, or auto search, method. This method allows the remote to cycle through all the available codes until it finds one that works with your device.
How to program a universal remote without a code?
Here's a step-by-step guide on how to program your universal remote using the auto search method. 1. Turn on your device. Whether it's a TV, DVD player, or any other device you wish to control, make sure it's turned on first. 2. Press the device button on the remote. This could be labeled as TV, DVD, STB, or aux, depending on your remote. Some remotes may require you to press and hold the button until the light on the remote turns on. 3. Press and hold the Set or Setup button. This will prepare the remote to enter the programming mode. 4. Press the Power or Channel UP button. Doing so prompts the remote to start cycling through the codes. Make sure you point the remote at the device you want to control. 5. Wait for the device to turn off or change channel. Once this happens, the remote has found a code that works with your device. 6. Press the Enter, Save, or OK button. This will store the code on your remote. Your device should now respond to the universal remote. And there you have it, folks. Programming a universal remote without a code might seem a bit tricky at first, but with a little patience and this step-by-step guide, you should be up and running in no time. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier, not harder. So, we hope this tutorial has been helpful and has made your tech journey just a bit smoother. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.